Honorable Speaker, I do not want to end at criticizing and critiquing my brother. I think I want to give some way forward. If I were in his unenviable position, this is what I would do. From Friday through to Monday, I would not sleep. I would require the information from the General Court Martial relating to all prisoners that are held on orders of the General Court Martial, now deceased. From that point, I would advise government to sieve out all political prisoners, matters which are not pure crime, and say, let us go and do the honorable thing of withdrawing. That someone can continue to be in prison, and the Attorney General is busy advising on somebody who was putting on a beret, a red beret, whether he should remain in prison. The third thing I would do, and for more than four years now, third thing I would do is to advise the police to immediately approach the General Court Martial, obtain all those files where we feel it is pure crime, a suspicion of crime, not suspicion of politics. Then I would advise that police would get those people from wherever they are upon release. But for you, you cannot say you are complying with the court order without releasing these people. At least do the ugly thing you've been doing of arresting them at the entrance or exit of the prison, arresting them from court. But any continuity in detention is illegal. Finally, I am concerned as a leader in this country. Immediately upon release of the judgment, Colonel Chris Magezi, who is said to be an assistant to General Hon Sseggona'S, issued a statement which he called the official statement from the UPDF. And it was clear and categorical. They shall not be released until General Museveni, the Commander-in-Chief, gives us orders to release them. And that is the basis upon which we challenged the constitutionality of the court-martial, because it is dependent on orders of the chairman. Membership includes his son, who is now tweeting to say we cannot release. Mr. Speaker, for how long are we going to continue like this as a country? You have a dignified Attorney General. That man knows the law, by the way. Even when he chooses to disobey or to ill-advise, at least he knows the law. Now, we receive another statement from the President. Half of it was dignified. The second half was very dignifying. You hear from the President, and what he says that this country is not governed by judges and lawyers, where I agree. But this country is governed by a constitution. Anybody who does not want to obey this constitution should give us our peace by leaving. I am concerned about the tweets of General Kanyarugaba. You saw when he said that he was going to attack the mercenaries in Congo. A few days later it happened. How are our neighbors going to take us? You crack a war inside, you crack a war outside. Why? Is it the Constitution?
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.